Hi everybody, it's another day in London. Today I'm at the Tower of London Museum. Inside this is the Kohinoor from India. I'm so excited. I've come all the way here just to see the Kohinoor. I have my ticket here. It cost me 34.8 pounds, which is 3,840 Indian rupees. Just want you all to have a good look of the palace. It's so beautiful and it's huge. It's also a Sunday today, so it's fairly crowded. But for some reason, when I'm here in London, I'm liking the crowded spaces. I feel like it just increases the energy and the vibe. That's the map. There's a lot to see over here. But I'm gonna go straight to the crown jewels where the Kohinoor is. That's the building. You see that? That's the queue. It's all the way till there. This is crazy. Apparently, the crown jewels is the most popular part of this museum. So you'll get most of the crowd gathered up here to see this. I stole it. Just kidding. You can buy a replica right outside the crown jewels for £6. That was so incredible. That was so incredible. I grew up listening to stories about the Kohinoor, and for the longest time, it wasn't even on display for the general public. And then after the coronation of King Charles and Queen Camilla, they actually put it out for display. And I was lucky enough that I came to England and London at a time where I could see it. I mean, you never know till when they'll keep it for display. And it is such a beautiful diamond, and because there's so much history, you just feel something when you look at it. I'm very happy. I am now in the medieval palace section of the museum, and that is how King Edward's bedroom looked like. Now in the torture house, this is where the prisoners were tortured. You see this machine. So basically, both the legs will be tied here, both the hands will be tied there, and then they'll be pulled apart, outside in opposite directions till they all come out of the body. All the joints leave the body. Other one was this. The person would be asked to sit in this position over here. Then this would go down and crush the entire body. So Anne Boleyn was executed here at this spot.
She was accused of having an affair.
Thank you. It's good. So I normally don't drink beer because it bloats you and you gain weight, especially at the tummy. But it's a very English and very Brit thing. Everybody just drinks beer all the time. And I feel like when you travel, you should eat and drink like the locals. And I'm actually really enjoying myself. I've ordered the trio of fries over here. These are 3 different types of fries. One of them is sweet potato. And because I love ketchup, I told him to get me a lot of ketchup. I think this red one, orange one, is sweet potato. This is sweet potato. It's nice, it's different. So good. This here is a beautiful church, All Hallows by the Tower. And it's also the oldest church in the city. It says it was founded in 675 AD. It's a beautiful spot because you can see the Tower of London, the museum, the palace, and then right in front you can see the Tower Bridge. And I'm thinking of taking a walk right through it. This is so iconic, just so iconic. So that's the River Thames. It's a beautiful time because the sun's setting. I actually can't believe I'm here. I just can't believe because I always wanted to travel the world. I really wanted to, but I never thought I'd get to spend so much time in cities that I love. This bridge, I've seen it in so many Bollywood movies, and being an Indian, I always thought I would love to walk through it, and I'm finally getting the chance to do that. So I'm very thankful and I'm very happy. So iconic! It is actually so peaceful to walk on this bridge because they have a very different section for just walking. So of course there are cars on the bridge, but then on the right side there is a section just for people who just want to walk. So you're not scared that you'll crash into a car or something like that. And particularly, there are like so many Indians. I think if you ask me the one race that I saw the most in London, it is Indians. This is the Royal Opera House. Beautiful, beautiful building, very vintage. Another important and popular landmark to visit if you're in London. Instantly love the vibe of this place. Oh my god, cute! So cute! I have to say, one thing I've noticed about London is that the architecture is beautiful. It's stylish, it's vintage, it's perfect. Like you can see the craftsmanship. Everything is amazing. Everything here looks very rich, beautiful, perfect. That's an Indian restaurant right here. Like I had told you all, there are a lot of Indians in London. You'll see like a new Indian restaurant every next street you go to. Punjabi restaurant. It says it's the UK's oldest Punjabi restaurant, and if you see, it's house full. I guess you can say that Indian food is really popular here as well, even amongst the local crowd. So from what I understand is this gate marks the starting of Chinatown. I just don't have the time today, so I'm just gonna walk by, but I'll check out the restaurants if I wanna come back and try some Chinese food tomorrow or day after. But wow, the energy in this place is insane. London usually dies by this time, it's 9 p.m. But here, it's really busy. I just came across this massive Harry Potter store and I just had to check it out. An authentic looking Voldemort. Okay, so with great difficulty, I pulled myself out of that store because I feel like every time I see a Harry Potter store, I just stop and see what's inside, and it's just, it's a tourist trap, but I can't help myself. You know, there are so many things that I want to buy from there, and you just don't get them in India. I don't know why. Maybe I should open a store with all these official merchandise. I'll be rich. Okay, now I'm headed towards Soho, which is another really popular neighborhood. I would recommend come with a huge group if you are a tourist. It's loud here. People are partying. There are lines and lines out of pubs. Like look at this one behind me. Ooh, it's crowded. I'm running very low on my battery right now. So I'm gonna wish you all good night. Thank you so much for watching the vlog. Make sure to be kind to yourself and be kind to others. And I hope that you work hard enough so that wherever you want to travel in this world, you get to travel as well. Okay? Bye-bye. Good night. Love you all.